Welcome back. My name is Koushik and you are watching Koushik's Everyday English. Have you ever thought how often you use the word very in your daily English conversation? Yes, we overuse the word very. The frequent use of the word very in our daily English conversation makes our English sound boring. But in this English speaking practice lesson, you are going to learn some interesting words by which you can avoid using the word very in your daily English conversation and make your English sound as advanced as that of the advanced English speakers. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Before I start today's English speaking practice lesson about how to avoid the word very in our daily English conversation, I would like to focus on the pronunciation of the word very. Many people, or most of us rather, pronounce this word as very, very. But I'm sorry to say that it's not very, it's very, very. If you follow my facial expression, you will understand. See, when I'm pronouncing the letter V, I'm touching the lower lip with the upper part of my teeth. V. V. It's not V, it's V. So it's very. So I hope from now onwards, whenever you'll pronounce the word very, you'll pronounce like this. The first word or the first expression in today's list is very tired. Very tired. So you can easily replace this expression by the word exhausted. Look at this sentence. I was exhausted by the end of the week. It means you are very tired. You work all through the week and it's obvious that by the end of the week you get tired. And to intensify the tiredness, you use the word very. But from now onwards, you can easily replace very tired and you can use the interesting word exhausted. I was exhausted by the end of the week. Let's move on to the next expression. Very sad. It is a common expression, rather the most common expression that we often use in our daily conversation. But we can use interesting words to replace this very sad. You can use the word heartbroken. Instead of very sad, you can say heartbroken. For example, she was heartbroken after her divorce. She was heartbroken after her divorce. That means she was very sad. Or you can say devastated. He was devastated after his company went bankrupt. So over here also you are meaning the same, very sad, but you are not using the monotonous word very sad, rather you are using interesting words like devastated or heartbroken. Let's move on to the next expression, just the opposite of sad, happy, very happy. Instead of saying very happy, you can use the word thrilled. I'm thrilled to see you after such a long time. It means you are very happy, right? You are intensifying the happiness. Or you can say delighted. Instead of very happy, you can use the word delighted. You'll be delighted to know that I got 99% in the board exam. That means you'll be very happy if you come to know, or when you are telling him that you have got 99%, you have scored good marks in the board exams. Or you can use on cloud 9. Now this is a very, you can say again, a very amusing favorite expression of mine, right? On cloud 9. You can say, I was on cloud 9 when she proposed me. It again means I'm very happy. So instead of very happy, you can use this expression, on cloud 9. Let's move on to the next word, very small. Instead of very small, you can use the word tiny. For example, she refused to eat a tiny piece of the cake because she was on diet. So instead of very small, you can use the word tiny. Or you can use another interesting word, minuscule. Have you ever heard of this word? If you haven't, get accustomed to this new word and start using this word in your daily English conversation to make your English sound as advanced as that of the advanced English speakers. Look at this sentence. The chances of winning the lottery are minuscule. So in this way, you can apply this particular word, minuscule, instead of very small. Let's move on to the next word, very difficult. Instead of this, you can use the word challenging. For example, teaching is challenging but a rewarding work, right? So instead of very difficult, you are using challenging. Or you can use another word, demanding. She had a demanding schedule and little free time. That means her schedule is hectic, right? Her schedule is very difficult. She had got no free time. She had hardly any free time. So instead of very difficult, you were saying demanding. She had a demanding schedule and little free time. So ladies and gentlemen, this is for today, and I hope you have enjoyed today's English speaking practice lesson. You have learned many words and you can apply them to avoid using the word very in your daily English conversation. Before I leave, I would like to remind you once again to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again with another interesting video for you. Till then, stay safe, love your family, love your parents and love yourself.